One of the aims of the Nizza Partners Residence development was not only to try the best way possible to introduce inside this really natural environment a huge volumetry in a smart way, following the curve line of the site without being scared to become architecture, but at the same time using typology of material that allow us to merge as best as possible with the chromatic environment.
Is a volume composed by several horizontal levels that are like a choreography inside the landscape. This architecture is the symbol of the fusion between nature and architecture. This idea is emphasized by the first two levels that you see when you arrive, because they became a green wall that follow you to entrance.
With a double light space that creates a path inside the project, in the belly of the architecture, that follows the movement of the light and brings the people coming inside through this light path. And entering inside a space with a pond of water at the end of the path, this allows the shining of the water to enter the space and change completely the perception of the space through the different time of the day.
The light is the matter we use to paint our architecture.
And the idea is really also to create the circle of skylight inside the water, to take the refraction of the water entering a spa that is a cantilever on the wood, and creating this scenography of the spa with this cantilever pool that is an infinity pool that engage with the change of the color of the leaves on the trees in the autumn, and especially with the snow in the winter, creating this relationship between the human scale and the landscape. I'm Mino Caggiula, founder of Mino Caggiula Architects, and this is the Architect Series.